Hi, I'm Daniel Matthews of Continue to Improve. For 35 years, I've worked with companies to help them save hundreds of thousands of dollars a year by coaching their leaders to step up to organizational challenges, stand out from the crowd, and inspire action in their team members. For 15 of those years, I worked for Toyota, helping them sharpen their leadership, problem-solving, and creative thinking skills. I've also written 3 books on problem-solving. My most recent, a mini-book titled Teaching People to See, Toyota's Secret to Creating Exceptionally Engaged and Empowered Employees. So what are people saying about my programs? Here are a few quotes from my clients. Still not convinced? Take a listen to what Ed Tate, a former corporate executive and 2000 world champion of public speaking, said to me after hearing me speak.
Daniel, the moment we see you, we think, okay, this guy knows what he's talking about. You possess the 3 qualities that I look for initially: authority, energy, and awareness. And to be perfectly frank, that's rare.
If you're looking to create organizational change that thrives and evolves with your organization, give me a call or send me an email. Until then, continue to improve.